Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Phantom price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart here, we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing a wave 1 or a wave A. With this wave 1 or wave A, you need of course a wave 2 or a wave B. We are looking therefore for an ABC or a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 of course for higher prices. Now your wave C can reach of course the 1-to-1 fib level taken of course from this 1-to-1 fib level taken from this part from the top of the A to the bottom of course of your wave B here, where we want to reach of course around the $339 of course for Phantom, but of course this is a logarithmic fib levels. If we come back to the linear one, we gonna reach of course 3.5 first. After reaching this, of course, if we move higher, therefore we might move of course for a bigger impulse, and if we reach higher than this impulse, of course, therefore we're gonna move towards the logarithmic fibs, right? Because we want to walk with this step by step. We don't want to be very unrealistic from now for $300 for Phantom from a 0.7 cent, right? So yeah, these are the things now. What we are looking at is double scenarios. One is bearish, one is bullish. The bullish one is that you have finished as A, B, and a C here. Your wave A is an impulse, and you have a wave B as 3 waves, and a short wave C here finished almost as a corrective. And you're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, of course, towards the upside, as you can see in this scenario, which I'm gonna make it orange. Yeah, this is your bullish scenario, and you are looking, of course, to finish a wave C, possibly, of course, hitting the wave 3 here fib level taken from this 1, 2. Once we finish the wave 2, because we did not finish it yet, we're gonna explain. So if we move inside this here, we are looking of course here at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished wave 1, and we are looking at ABC and then ABC for an expanding flat, and looking for one more wave C, of course, to reach at least the 0.38 fib level for a wave 2. Because these 3 waves even did not reach this fib level, and we still have a gap in between, of course, the fibs, which is the minimum requirement. Therefore, definitely we still need to hit those fibs and then moving towards the upside after hitting, of course, and finishing this wave 2. Now, in your bearish scenario is something much more longer in time and in price, of course, with lower prices, where you have a W, X, and we're looking for a wave Y still, where your correction did not finish yet, and you are still looking for a correction and then to move towards higher prices. Now, if in that case scenario, of course, you would like to see a continuation for for an ending diagonal here, possibly because we are in a zigzag. So possibly we need to continue as a zigzag, and then of course to have 5 waves finally finishing here somewhere as an ending diagonal. And therefore, of course, again, looking for higher prices. So let's check this apart on the 1-hour chart to see if it is healthy enough, and if there is some, maybe some tricks or something hidden. So if we take a look here, we are looking, of course, at this impulse, which is starting from here after the bottom of your correction in the wave C, of course, here. We are looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 1 here is a contracting diagonal, 2, and then possibly 3, 4, and a 5. Of course, yeah. Let's check the wave 3. Is it shorter? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3. Okay, perfect. So yeah, it's not shorter, no. So you have a wave 1, 2, and then you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and then 4 and a 5. So yes, it's a very normal impulse. Everything is fine, and we are looking here at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, for your wave A, and then ABC, and then finished here. Okay, WXY definitely. And then after this correction, 3-wave correction, We are looking, of course, at another impulse here. Everything looking fine, even higher impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for your wave 3. And of course, another correction, and finishing now with this orange impulse towards the upside, very clearly that it has finished. And now we're looking 3 waves down, probably. Okay. But on the daily, we were okay. All right. Sorry, I think we have finished here. I don't know why I'm putting this as an impulse. It is not really an impulse, but let me check this again, because this is a 3 waves down, and possibly we got our 3 waves up here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, your 4 has interfered with your zone 1. So yeah, invalidated. Also the same for this one. Yeah, so this is not an impulse. Yeah, as we said anyway, on the dailies is still an A, B, and a C expanding flat, where we are looking at at an A, B, and a C here, and another A, B, and a C. Okay, and we are looking, of course, for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like a double 1, 2 even. Let's check. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even ending diagonal. Very okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yes, very nice. Okay, and then 3 waves, and then okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, possibly, yeah, and then moving down up. Okay, so possibly it is a double 1, 2. If not, it can be even an ending diagonal, but it might end short, and then in that way, it's gonna end, of course, in a running flat, where we might finish, of course, in the middle of this expanding flat and transforming it into a running flat. If that is the case, we might see direct reversal towards the upside, even without reaching the fibs. So yeah, let's wait and see. It might be also a double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 for a wave 2 as well. Everything is possible, so let's wait and see. However, the important thing is that the 1 hour, everything looks very fine and perfect with our daily channel, just to make sure that everything is right and nothing is unhealthy. So that was it for Phantom. All what we need to check now, of course, is to hit those FIB level for a wave 2. So we are looking for lower prices, of course, in both scenario anyway. If you are bearish, you are looking for lower. But in the bullish scenario, you're still looking for lower prices, and then looking again towards higher prices once we hit the FIB levels for a wave 2. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.